Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add product categories in Shopify. At your Shopify dashboard, click on products from the options at the left, and from here, under it is collection, so click on that, and you can see a home page collection, which is a default one. You can also delete this if you want. Just click on this checkbox beside it, and above at the top right part is you can click on this three dotted icon and click on delete collection and click on delete once again. Now let's click on create collection right here and pick a title for your collection. You can then also add a description in here and also select your collection type if you want to add it manually one by one, or you can select smart if you want Shopify to detect matching conditions to automatically add it to your collection. At the right part, you can then add an image and click on add images right here and add your image for your category or your collection and click on done at the bottom. After that, just click on save at the top. And once we go back to the collections page, it should now be in here. And as you can see, there are 0 products under it. So to add your products onto your collections, what we're going to do is click on products again at the options at the left, and from here you will then select the product that you want to add to a specific category. For example, I'm going to select these 2 shirts and click on this 3 dotted icon at the top and click on add to collections. From here you can see your collections listed in here and select the collection you want to add these products to and click on save. And once we go back to the collections page, it should now have the number of products shown in here. And that is how you can basically add product categories in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.